Derivation of vehicle on a bank road. Suppose I say this is the bank road, angle of banking is theta and mass of the car is m. Then we all know very well weight mg will act in the downward direction. Normal reaction is always perpendicular to the surface in contact, and centrifugal force is always away from the center, that is mv square upon r. अब हम इस mv square upon r के component ले लेते हैं. So the component of this mv square upon r will be written as the mv square upon r cos theta, as this angle must be theta, and this component is given by mv square upon r sin theta. Similarly, component of the mg toward this side is given by mg cos theta, and toward this side it is given by mg sin theta. So there are two probabilities. First probability is that mv square upon r cos theta is greater than mg sin theta. Okay, in this situation, the mv square by r cos theta is greater than mg sin theta. So you will say friction must act in the downward direction because body has the tendency to slide in the upward direction. So at the equilibrium, what we will say, mg sin theta plus friction is given by mv square upon r cos theta, or you can say mg sin theta plus friction is known as the mu into normal reaction is given by mv square upon r cos theta, and normal reaction is given by mv square upon r sin theta plus mg cos theta. So put the value of the n here. It is mg sin theta plus mu mv square upon r sin theta plus mu mg cos theta equal to mv square upon r cos theta. अब हम v की वैल्यू एक तरफ रख लेते हैं, दूसरी वैल्यू एक तरफ रख लेते हैं. तो वन थिंग इज विजिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू, m will be cancelled by taking the common, and the next step we can write g sin theta plus mu g cos theta is written as v square upon r cos theta minus mu sin theta. So v square is given by rg, then rg कॉमन ले लो इधर से, क्या बच गया sin थीटा प्लस म्यू, rg कॉमन आ गया cos थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा माइनस म्यू sin थीटा. Now we divide by the cos theta, so we will given by v is equal to root rg sin theta by cos theta is tan theta plus only mu because cos theta by cos theta 1 upon 1 minus mu tan theta. So this is the expression for the safe speed when the mv square by r cos theta is greater than mg sin theta. Now we will discuss the second situation. Now we will discuss the second part of the situation, that mv square upon r cos theta is less than mg sin theta. In this situation, mg sin theta is more, so car has the tendency to move downward, so friction will act in the upward direction. So at equilibrium, what we will say, mg sin theta is written as f plus mv square upon r cos theta. And what is the value of the f? F is given by mu into normal reaction. So f equal to mu, normal reaction is visible to all of us, n equal to mv square upon r sin theta plus mg cos theta. We put the value of the f here. What we will write? mg sin theta equal to f is mu, and open the bracket, mv square upon r sin theta plus mu mg cos theta plus mv square upon r cos theta. Now we cancel the m and we will write mu v square upon r sin theta plus v square upon r cos theta equal to g sin theta minus mu g cos theta. सो v स्क्वायर, ओके v स्क्वायर अपने कॉमन ले लिया, v स्क्वायर इक्वल टू आर जी, देन दिस इज साइन थीटा माइनस म्यू cos theta divided by mu sin theta plus cos theta. Again you divide by the cos theta. When you divide by the cos theta, v is given by root rg tan theta minus mu divided by mu sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta, and cos theta divided by the cos theta is given by 1. So this is the another expression.